2025 is the easiest time in history to make money online. Not because you need special skills, not because you need a ton of followers, but because AI has made everything faster, cheaper, and way more beginner-friendly. Today, I am going to show you the absolute easiest method to make your first $1,000 online even if you're restarting from scratch. No special talent needed, no expensive tools. Just a simple, clear plan that anyone can follow. So, how do you make your first $1,000? You really only need two things: a simple skill, and people who desperately need that skill. The easiest beginner skill to learn right now, in 2025, is this: AI-powered short video creation. Think about it. Businesses everywhere want to be on TikTok, on Instagram Reels, on YouTube Shorts, but most of them have no idea how to make the videos. That's where you come in. You become the solution to their biggest problem. Short videos are the #1 marketing format in the world right now. Every brand, every local business, every online creator needs a constant stream of content to stay relevant. And here's the best part: you don't have to be a video editing genius. AI tools like CapCut, Canva, and ChatGPT do about 80% of the work for you. All you have to do is write a simple script, or have AI write it for you. Generate an AI voiceover, add some stock video clips, throw on some captions, and export it. Boom, you're done. A professional-looking video in minutes. Alright, here's the exact plan to hit that $1,000 goal fast. Step 1. Spend 1 or 2 days learning the basics of AI short video creation. Step 2. Create 5 sample videos to show what you can do. This should take about 2 days. Step 3. Start messaging small businesses. Aim for about 50 messages over 3 or 4 days. Step 4. Offer simple packages from $50 to $150. And Step 5. Repeat the process until you hit your first 1,000. This isn't just a theory. Thousands of people are already making money this way. Let's break down Step 1. Learning the skill. Seriously, you don't need to be super creative or a tech wizard. Just open up CapCut on your phone or computer. The app has built-in templates, an AI script generator, and even auto captions. Your best friends will be stock video sites, which give you unlimited professional clips to use. Just practice making 15 to 20-second videos about anything. After just a few hours of playing around with these tools, you'll be good enough to start charging money for your work. Now for Step 2, building a simple portfolio. To get clients, you need to show them proof of what you can do. You don't need a degree or a fancy certificate, just some examples of your work. So, create 5 different videos for imaginary businesses. Make one for a gym, one for a local restaurant, an ad for a clothing brand, a video for a tech product, and maybe a quick teaser for a real estate agent. Once they're done, upload them to a Google Drive folder or even just a new TikTok account. This becomes your portfolio that you can send to potential clients. Okay, Step 3. Finding clients. This is where you start making money. You're going to message 50 small businesses. Don't go for huge corporations. Focus on the little guys: local restaurants, gyms, online stores, salons, barbershops, cafes, and real estate agents. Your message can be super simple and direct. Something like, "Hey, I specialize in making short promotional videos for businesses like yours. Here are a few examples of my work. I'd be happy to create your first video for free to show you the value." Out of 50 messages, you can realistically expect 5 to 10 people to respond, and from there, 2 or 3 will become paying clients. Let's talk about Step 4, your pricing. Keep it simple and easy for clients to understand. You could offer a few packages, for example, $30 for 1 video, $75 for a package of 3 videos, or $150 for a package of 5 videos. You'll be surprised how many clients choose the middle or the highest package. Why? Because they know they need content consistently, usually every week, and buying a package saves them time and money. This simple pricing structure makes it a no-brainer for them. And now for Step 5, delivering the work fast using AI. This is how you make the process efficient and profitable. When a client hires you, here's your workflow. First, paste their product or brand information into ChatGPT and ask it to generate a short video script. Next, use a tool like CapCut's AI voice feature for the narration. Then, find relevant stock video clips and use a pre-made template to assemble everything. Add automated captions and some background music. Finally, export the video in high definition. With practice, each video should only take you about 15 minutes from start to finish. So how does all this add up to your first $1,000? Let's do the math. If you sell a package to just 10 clients at $100 each, that's exactly $1,000. Or, if you sell your premium $150 package to just 7 clients, that's $1,050. Even if you only sell your smallest $50 package, you just need 20 clients to hit your goal. This is completely doable within 30 days, and it's getting even easier in 2025 because the demand for short video content is absolutely exploding. Look, you don't need to be gifted. You don't need a bunch of money to start. You just need to actually start. Learn one simple, high-demand skill. Create a few samples to prove you can do it. Start messaging businesses that need your help. And use the power of AI to deliver amazing results incredibly fast. Your first $1,000 online isn't some far-off dream, it's a decision. It's a plan. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more ways to level up your income.